Alright guys, we'll use the point. So this is the stud here that goes into the block. So you're probably asking, I couldn't get it out, it was frozen. So you're probably asking, well, why is that there? Well, what I did is I took a larger nut and put it over the stud in order to retain the heat that I put on it. I put the torch on it for a little while from underneath on this side for, I don't know, a good 2-3 minutes. And didn't start on it right away, but I had already put these two nuts on there. So basically I put this one on first, about halfway, and I got this one on tight, and I'm backing this rear one, loosening it against this one here. And it's still a little warm. I sprayed it too with WD-40. You see how it's turning now? Oh, it's tough. I gotta go slow. But it's turning. And I'm gonna get it slowly but surely. Boy, this one's stuck in there, dude. Oh, that's tough. I think I'm gonna have to wring these holes out before I go putting the hardware in. But it's coming out, doing the job. It wasn't coming out the way I had it originally before. So I had to grab a couple of bolts or nuts, and I had to find one large enough to go over that in order to heat up. It's about heat transfer. The nut in the back will hold the heat that you put on it longer than the stud itself. So you can smell it. You can definitely smell it. But it's coming out, and that's a good thing. That's the whole purpose of doing it the way I'm doing it. And I'll show you what this looks like after I get it out to let you know how I did it. And I'm tossing the whole thing in the recycle bin. I don't need to keep any of these nuts or anything. And once you heat everything, once you heat them up a little too hot, they're no good anymore anyway. So. Coming out. I don't know where my stubby is. I have a stubby, but as you see though, I have to have a wrench in order to get through to those two washers that are on there. That's why I always keep hardware, nuts, bolts. I have a big 3-gallon bucket that I keep. Never know when you're going to need something. Now I should be able to use the ratchet on the outside nut in order to get it off. This one here. Oh, that's a 13. Let's see, I think I got one on here. Yeah, see? And I got it out. So this is what I had to do in order to get it out. Not where you guys can see that or not. And I will zoom out. That's what I had to do in order to get it out. So you put one on the, a little bit on the inside, put one on the outside, tighten them against each other, and then you're going to loosen the one in the back in order to get it out. So